Hello students, Jai Hind. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to morning Saraswati Sisu Kunj Bagwala board set. Which date is today? 8 July 2020. And which day is today? Wednesday. Students, we have completed our 3 chapters. Now today we will start our new chapter. Chapter number 4, which name is subtraction. 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 Before start our chapter, first of all I will explain you hot words. Let's see hot words. First one is find. 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 Second one is subtract. 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 Third one is number line. NUMBER. Number line. Fourth one is answer. Student, subtract, which sign is minus. Sign of subtract is minus. It also called MINUS. Minus. Subtract. This is the sign of a subtraction. It is also called minus. Okay? See students, how many pens are in my hand? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total pen are 8. Now I will remove 3 pens from this. 1, 2, 3. 3 pens are removed. Then how many pens are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our answer will be 5. Let's see on the board. 8 pens. Then I will remove. That means minus. How many pens I remove? 3 pens. So how many pens are left? 8 minus 3. How many? 5. So our answer will be 5 pens. Understood? Now friends, let's see another example. Look at this. What is this? Chalks. Let's count chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 chalks. Now I will remove 2 chalks from this. 1, 2. 2 chalks are removed. Then how many chalks are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total chalks. How many total chalks we have? 6. Now I remove 2 chalks. Then how many chalks are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer will be 4. Total chalks are 6. Removing 2 chalks. So how many? Our answer will be 4. Students, let's see on the board. There are box apple. There are box apple. That means we have to count this apple. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here 5. That means there are 5 apples. Now see on the other side. Blank are eaten. We have to count this apple and write here. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write here 3. 3 are eaten. That means there are 5 apples and 3 number come? 10. So write here 10. Understood? Let's see another example. Which number this is? 15. 15 minus 5. See on the number line where 15 number come? Here. You can see 15 minus 5. So students, what you have to do? You have to subtract 5 from 15. That means you have to jump back 15 to 5 numbers. That means 15 to 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. So 15 to 5 numbers. That means which number come? 10. Understood? 15 minus 5. That means 15 here. Then how many steps you have to move back? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 to 5 steps here. Which number come? 10. So right here 10. Okay? Student, let's see another example. Example number 3. What is the number? 18 minus 3. Which number first? 18. So look at the number line 18. And which number second? 3. So students, what we have to do? We have to subtract 3 numbers from 18. That means you have to jump back 3 numbers from 18. 1, 2, 3. So jump. Which number comes? 15. So our answer will be 15. So write here 18 minus 3. Which number comes? 15. So our answer is 15. Okay? Let's see another one. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. Look at here. 10 minus 6. So student, what you have to do? You have to move back 6 steps from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's jump back 10 to 6 steps. So we get here. Which number come? 4. That means 10 minus 6. Which number comes? 4. So 4 is our answer. So write here 4. Okay? See student on the board. Subtract the following. That means you have to subtract. Look at this. 43 minus 22. Look at here. Which place is? Unit place. And this one is 10 place. So student, in subtraction, first you have to start subtract from this side. Okay? First we have to subtract unit column, unit place, then after 10 place. Okay? Let's start. In unit place, which is first number? 3. 3 minus minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 4. So remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers remain? 3. So write here 3. In unit place, 3 minus 1, 2. In 10 place, 7 minus 4, 3. So 73 minus 41 equal to 32. Okay. Let's see another one. 88 minus 52. So first minus in unit place. Okay. 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove how many? 2. So remove 2 from this. 1, 2 remove. How many remain? 5, 6. So write here 6. Then in 10 place, 8 minus 5. We have 8 numbers. And how many numbers we have to remove? 5. So remove 5. How many left? 3. So write here 3. 88 minus 52. Our answer will be 36. Okay? So students, I hope you understood this topic. Now I will give you one worksheet. In this worksheet, I will give you 2 types of exercise. First one is subtract on the number line and second one is subtract the following. So students, you have to write to yourself. Okay? Bye bye.